Hi there, and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll tackle a common question. How do you remove table formatting in Excel? We'll walk through 3 levels of removing formatting so you can get your table looking just the way you want. Sound good? Let's get started. Hello, and welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Hannah, and I'm here with the rest of the Sheet Leveler team to help you master Excel the easy way. So let's dive right in. The first step is to clear just the table's color style while keeping all the features intact. Here's how to do it. Click anywhere inside the table to activate the Table Design tab in the ribbon. In the Table Styles section, click the Clear button. That's it. The colors and styling disappear instantly, but the table's powerful features, like sorting, filtering, and the total row, are still there, ready to use. Now let's move to the next level. If you want to remove all the special table features and turn it into a plain range of cells, follow these steps. Click anywhere in the table to activate the Table Design tab. In the Tools group, click Convert to Range. A pop-up window will ask you to confirm. Click Yes, and you're done. The data is now a normal range of cells. If you click inside it, you'll notice the Table Design tab is gone. Finally, if you want to strip away every bit of formatting, including bold text, shaded rows, or any other styles, leaving just the plain data, here's what to do. Click the small square in the top left corner of the spreadsheet to select all cells. Go to the Home tab and find the Editing section. Click Clear, then choose Clear Formats from the drop-down menu. And that's it! All the formatting is gone, and you're left with clean, unformatted data. If you ever want to reapply table formatting or use its features again, we've got you covered. Check out our tutorial on how to make a table in Excel. It's linked in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and check out more tutorials on our channel. We're here to make Excel fun and easy for everyone. Are you new to Sheet Leveler? Welcome. We'd love to have you join our online community. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.